Have you not been following what we are doing?
So the Zoom meeting ended. So I have to rejoin.
Have you downloaded the? All right, you and Reggie are using the same computer.
Yes.
So he has VS Code on it already.
Yes.
Right, so create a folder and go to VS Code and choose that folder.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Right, so when you choose the folder's name will show up here, okay? And then you can create files in the folder. So do you see this down arrow, Perez and Kofi?
Yes.
Yes.
When I click on it, you see it collapses, okay? And then you can see this outline over here. That is not what we are looking at, okay? The name of the folder is what we should be concerned with. So when I expand it again, you will see that the index.html is showing. Right, so that is simply how to work within VS Code. Now, the second icon, when I click on it, another typing space comes for me to type, okay? When you click on this, you are creating a file. When you click on this, you are creating a folder, okay? Always folders have the arrow next to it. So let me give this folder a name, sample folder. Then
So
press,
should we do the same?
do same. Then press enter. When you go back to your folder you created, a folder will be created there for you. Okay, so we are now going to be using VS Code to create all our files and folders. It's as simple as that. This is the Refresh Explorer. It just refreshes it. And this one collapses all the folder. We will look at what this one and this one does later on. Okay, but for now, we can create a file, we can create a folder. When the folder has the arrow next to it, when the arrow points down, it means you've opened the folder. Okay, when it points to the right, it means you've closed it. So I've opened sample folder, I've closed it. But because there's nothing in that folder, nothing shows, okay? But you can see that intro to VS Code, my folder also has the down arrow. When I click on the down arrow, you see it collapses and it now shows to the right. If it shows to the right, it means that you've closed the folder, okay? So when I close the folder, I can open it. When you open it, whatever is in that folder will be shown, okay? So that is how it works. Now, this sample folder I've created, I can create another file inside that sample folder. What you have to do is to click on the folder name. When it is highlighted in blue, then click on the file. Okay, so I'm going to call this styles.css and press enter. And then you can see that the styles.css file is under the sample folder. Okay, it is immediately
So I've done it.
Under the sample folder. So what that means is that styles.css can be found inside sample folder, because when I close sample folder, you see that the file is gone. Okay, it is still there, but I've closed this. When I open it, you can see it again over here. When you go back to your folder and you open sample folder, you will see that the CSS file is here. Okay, Again, it has
Okay.
been named as styles. You don't see the .css. That is because it is a CSS file. And whenever you open it within your file explorer, you only see the name. Okay, depending on how you've decided for it to show, I think you can change it, but it's okay. You understand it. So
please, should we say the style.css?
whenever you give the file a name and you press enter, it will save it.
So should we do so?
Right, you can do same. So I think
Say,
yes.
the work you give us, I'm done.
You are done.
Yes. You said just the top.
All right. So for Kofi and Perez, we'll end your class here and continue tomorrow. Okay.
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 Did you understand everything I said?
Yes.
Yes.
I will make the video available on YouTube. Okay. So you can, do you know our channel?
I'll try.
No.
Yes. So you can just go to the channel and search for it. Otherwise, I'll send you the link.
What is the channel? The channel.
Smart
Smart
Tribe.
try.
Let me go on YouTube and see if I can. There.
Please, is the class over?
Yes,
No, it's now
I'll
start.
be taking your work tomorrow. Reggie, let me
Sir,
see your,
please, bye-bye.
bye. Reggie, let me see your work. You said you are done.
Mm. They disabled the screen share.
Share it now.
Say just the top right.
Let me see it.
Okay.
You see this one? Who is it?
Did you see the work?
Sir, please, I'm muted.
Yeah, you can leave.
Sir, no, I'm eager to see Reggie's work.
Did you see the
Reggie,
work?
Yes, me too.
Reggie, they want to see your work. Share it.
Okay. So I share the screen.
Share it. I've allowed multiple sharing. Why are you showing me? They want to see your work, not me.
Say
Minimize
just
the
this
scratch window. Why does your scratch look like this? Hey, your zoom. Minimize your zoom window. Elona.
I've joined the Chrome.
Huh?
I joined using the
Ah.
browser.
Oh, okay, okay. So just choose a new tab. It should still work. Or it won't.
I've chosen a new tab,
I can't see it.
but this is the
Why
way.
have you joined with Chrome?
So we are going to.
The Zoom is not. Whenever I try to join this one, then like this. Whenever I try to
Chrome.
join, so I should join from the browser.
Try to fix that one on the PC. Okay. Sorry, you can't see his work. He will show it tomorrow. Sorry for the disappointment.
Okay.
Sorry, you can't see his work. He'll show it tomorrow.
The way you said just the top right, or the whole down is part.
No, just the top.
Okay.
But you finished very fast. You send it to me on WhatsApp.
Oh, hi.
Okay.
Okay, I'll let my father send it to you.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye.
Elona. Are these people today?
It's working.